All right, hey guys, how you doing? It's Franklin Cruz. Look, in this episode, we're actually going to go behind the scenes with the other side of our business, not just fixing and flipping and doing cool stuff with renovations, but we're actually going to show Bridgette's side of the business, which is her brokerage. So she's actually going to show one of the most exclusive luxury historical properties in Lakeland, Florida, Polk County, that is not that far from Southeastern. So she wants to show you this thing. This is her world. I'm going to let her take it from here. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Welcome to Shakespeare Estate. I cannot wait to show you what's behind these doors. This is Lakeland, Florida's best kept secret, right here off of Lake Bonny, next to Southeastern University. So are you ready? Wait till you see what's behind the door. Shakespeare is a beautiful home. It's 1925 built home, but don't let that worry you because this home has been completely updated. Now, we did try to keep some of the original wood characteristics of this house. So for example, it's got original hardwood floors. How cool is that? Okay, but only where they could salvage it. Right now, you got a completely transformed kitchen, granite countertops, actual wood cabinets, butler's pantry. I mean, everything you could ask for in a historic home has been included in this home. Wait till you see this space, what the perfect entertaining space behind these doors. You ready? Let's go. Woo! Look at this. This is just such a warm and inviting space. I mean, that is the most beautiful wall unit I've ever seen, and it's actually an antique. This house has two fireplaces, one in this formal living and one in the family. And behind you is the most beautiful dining space you've ever seen. Wait till you check this out. Now this space is not only my favorite because I love to eat, but look at this. This is beautiful. I mean, it has everything that a historic home represents. And the best part of it all is that a buyer can actually buy this home with this furniture intact. So don't miss out, come check this out, and don't let this one slip by. I'm really impressed with what they did here in these bathrooms. I mean, they're so beautiful, perfectly equipped for everything that you need. So, I mean, this is literally move-in ready. What a beautiful, perfect kitchen. It's so open. I mean, you have the living room, the hallway, the butler's pantry. It's just so open and spacious. There isn't anything you'd be missing in this kitchen. It's beautiful, state-of-the-art appliances. I mean, look at this refrigerator. It's just gorgeous, it's beautiful. And I think that they've done an amazing job with cabinetry. So it's just so much love and so much detail put in this home. You just have got to see it for yourself. Shakespeare has the most amazing courtyard. Look, this is the walkway that separates the main house from the guest house and the 3-car garage. The guest house is amazing. It has a state-of-the-art movie theater set up with all the chairs. And let me tell you, the seller wants everything to be included if possible. So come and check this out. This is literally the courtyard that separates the main house from the movie theater room. So let's go check it out. I'm just sitting here imagining watching my favorite movie on this amazing screen. Yes, this home has a movie theater room. What historic home do you know in Lakeland, Florida that has a movie theater room? You don't, exactly, this is the only one. So we're in the guest house. We just showed you the movie theater room, and this is the actual guest bedroom and bathroom. So I actually want to show you another added piece to this. So right now we have this listed as half an acre, but the property is actually on a full acre. So behind the house are 3 potential buildable lots. So I'm going to show you because that's actually something that is negotiable if somebody wanted to purchase the entire property. So this house has a fenced-in backyard with a 6-foot privacy fence. It's gorgeous. Look at this. So beautiful. I can just see anything back here. I can see a swing, I can see a swimming pool. Who wouldn't want to come out here and just read a book under these beautiful trees? It's just beautiful. This house has so many beautiful features, and I'm telling you, anyone that passes up on this is missing the most beautiful property in Lakeland, Florida. I can't wait to show you one of my favorite properties yet on Shakespeare Street. This property is a 1925 gem, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, guest house with another bedroom and bath, a 3-car garage. It sits on an acre of land. It's just got so many beautiful features, and I can't wait to show you. It's over 2,700 square feet. It has been updated tremendously, so come check it out.